What's up, guys? Welcome back to the MSR workshop. So I know you can't see it, but right below me there is a giant box, and I'm going to do an unboxing with you. So come on, let me get the camera set up and let me show you what I got. So the unboxing that I'm going to do today is a new air gun. This is the Air Gun by Skout. It is the Skout Evo, and I have been waiting a long time to get my hands on one of these. Had to save all my change, you know, that falls in between the seats. So can't wait to see one of these in person. I've never seen one in person, just watched a bunch of videos online. And actually, the Evos don't have a lot of videos out there. The Skout Epics, they have just some more videos because they've been out a little bit longer, but the Evos are a really new gun. So I hope to bring you along with me on this journey of exploring the Skout. Wow, this is a nice case. So, really rigid case. Hope you can see that. I hope everything is in frame. Let me make sure here. Yes. So, very nice case. Oh, cool. So, they've got buckle style latches on them. So easy to open. Some Pelican cases I don't like because you just have to yank them. Not easy to open. But let me stop talking about the case because that's not what you really want to see, and that's not really what I want to see, though it is a fantastic case. Let me zoom in here. So let's open this box up and glimpse and touch for the first time the Skout Evo. Oh, what a beautiful gun. So Skout Evo, I ordered this in 177. Now I know why some of you are saying, what, 177? Who shoots 177? Well, you can replace the barrel on these with multiple different barrels. So I've actually ordered two barrels. I ordered the 177 barrel where I shoot with a group of guys indoors. We're shooting at a fairly close distance, and we can only shoot 177 indoors. Then I ordered the new, not even available really online, Skout 30 caliber sub-MOA barrel. So it's a steel barrel, and that should be arriving hopefully next week to get to try that and test that. But what a beautiful gun. I ordered this in the bench rest configuration. So this is the bench rest stock. So it's not as light without the skeletonized rear buttstock, but it's more adjustable for people shooting bench rest. And that's what I plan on using this gun predominantly for, is shooting bench rest. But what a beautiful gun. So that is not screwed on. I don't know if they left it filled or not, but we will find out. Well, let's see if she powers on.
Powering on. Welcome to the Skout experience.
So cool.
100% firing mode limit.
So this is a real rubberized, nice grip. It's got some texture to it, so that's kind of cool. Wow. That trigger is insanely light. And that sound that you're hearing is letting people know that it's not cocked and everything. Actual carbon wrapped barrel, supposedly really good. They tested this, pressure tested it, got it dialed in supposedly for me for the distance that I'm shooting at with this barrel. So really excited about this. Full carbon cheek rest, paper thin, but really rigid, really light. very cool. I don't know if that's supposed to move all the time or not. That's kind of interesting. Got dual high and low pressure gauges. You also got your tank regulator pressure. They call this brown color. It looks more copper to me, but they say it's brown. But beautiful color. And then the box here supposedly comes with everything you ever wanted to adjust your gun. So, little tin of, silicone grease, all the O-rings, Allen keys, all the high quality O-rings. And then under there you got your charger, which is a USB-C, which is awesome. You got your magazine for 177. Let's take a look at the magazine. I've heard these are really cool looking magazines. All metal construction, and these are magnetized. Try and get this off without dropping it. Sorry, I got a little silicone on my fingers. Okay, they're just pretty strong magnets, but peels that off. Internal parts, plastic, but all of that is metal, and then you're just dialing in your tension for your pellets. So very cool. Okay, so my Epic valve remove tool. Okay. So a little ratcheting tool for adjusting my high and low pressure regulators. You probably put your hex head. It is adjustable or reversible. There's the bit right there too. I almost lost that. Don't want that getting lost. And this just showed up at about 5:30 this evening, and it is almost dark outside. So that's a bit of a bummer. But here are all of the wonderful bits and pieces to make this gun supposedly pretty amazing. So very excited to try this out. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I know it was a short video, but this video was only an unboxing. The next video is where we'll really get into stuff. We'll talk about how to customize your gun. We'll go through all of the features, some of the things that I've done to my gun, how to tune your gun, and actually going through the settings, all those little things that you might want to know about. So stay tuned for part 2 of the video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and the little bell for all those notifications. Until next video, thanks again, guys.